Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to end and manage dual connection for your SOUNDCORE Dot FreeEye. You have to start by opening the application and now go to the settings at the right top. Right here we have dual connection, click on it. And firstly we should enable it. So click on this slider and just wait. And now we can finally add the second device. So click pairing device on your second device, and now we should enter to pairing mode. So put it to the charging case. And after that, right here at the top, at the bottom, sorry, we have this connection button here. Press and hold until the light starts flashing. Yeah. And now we should see it at the device list. So click on it and then click pair. Also, we should reconnect these earbuds to the first device. And as you can see right now, there is two devices connected, and we can also return to the application, and we can see that right here there's two devices. So you can remove one of it, let's say, to just unpair it, and as you can see, disconnected from your phone. And also you can add it again. When you unpair your second device, so let me show it to you, it should also remove right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.